he referred to the book, and the question is, we are living in a country which is very cold, so naturally and normally in this country people they leave fire burning at night and they sleep, and they're bound to do that. But this is a sort of contradiction. Is difficult for him to understand, because we are bound to leave the fire burning, and the hadith says you should not leave it burning when you sleep.
The times have changed, and the proper precautions are now taken so that the fire does not hurt. But in the previous times, it was impossible to take all those precautions. And even with all these precautions, sometimes when you keep the fire burning, it somehow causes very grave accidents. So the hadith is eternal, but there are less such accidents nowadays than there used to be in the previous times. Understand? Translation?